This is the 11th part and last part of our first lesson and astrologer's day. So open your books, page number 6, third paragraph from the last. It was nearly midnight when the astrologer reached home. His wife was waiting for him at the door and demanded an explanation. So why he was late to reach at his home? Because he had a long conversation with that stranger person, and therefore his wife was waiting for him because he had not been daily being so late at home. After reaching home, his wife was asking him the explanation why he was late. He flung. The meaning of flung I have given you in the last part. Flung, it is the past and past participle of fling. Fling, it means throw. He flung the coins at her and said, "Count them. One man gave all that." So, when his wife was demanding for explanation why he is so late, so he is not giving any kind of explanation, only took the coins and threw those coins in the direction of his wife and told her that count them. 12 and a half anna, she said, counting. So after counting, his wife said, "These are 12 and a half anna." She was overjoyed. The meaning of overjoyed, look at here. Overjoyed, it means very happy. I can buy some jaggery and coconut tomorrow. The child has been asking for sweet for so many days now. I will prepare some nice stuff for her. Stuff. Here the meaning of stuff, it means dish. So after watching this amount of coin, the astrologer's wife became very happy, and she said that our child, our little girl, from many days she is asking something sweet to eat, and after this money I will tomorrow go in the market and buy some jaggery. Jaggery, it is the hard piece of sugar which is made mostly in the villages in the very big pot. And then she said, "I will buy some jaggery and coconut and make a sweet dish for our little daughter." The swine. Now swine, this word particularly used to abuse someone. This word is used as a bad word. Meaning of this word, for bad words. "The swine had cheated me. He promised me a rupees," said the astrologer. The astrologer became very angry when he heard that these coins are 12 and half anna, because the stranger person promised him that he will give him 1 rupees, but he didn't give 1 rupees, only gave 12 and half anna. Therefore, he used some abusing word for that stranger. She looked up at him. "You look worried. What is wrong?" After that, the astrologer's wife looked up towards the astrologer and said to him, "What is the matter? You are looking so sad. You are looking so worried. What happened? What is wrong?" The astrologer said nothing. After dinner, sitting on the pile. Pile, the meaning of this word is given here, a string cot. The cot made by strings, that is called string cot. Particularly that is used in small villages. He told her, "Do you know a great load is gone from me today?" So after this, sitting there, he said that there is a very big burden on me. had gone from my mind. I thought I had the blood of a man on my hands all these years. So he first said that till today I was thinking I was a murderer, someone murdered by me, someone being killed by me. That was the reason why I ran away from home, settled here and married you. He is alive. And that is the reason why I left my village, came here, settled here and married with you. She gasped. Look at the meaning of gasp. Gasp, it means breath hard. So when the astrologer's wife heard that he wanted to kill someone, he wanted to do murder of someone, that time she was shocked and she started to gasp. She started to breathe very hardly. You tried to kill him, and she said, gasping, that you tried to kill that person. Yes, in our village, when I was a silly it means foolish. Yes, in our village, when I was a silly youngster, we drank gambled. Gambled, it is a game which is played for money. And quarrel. Quarrel, look at the meaning. It means angry, dispute. Quarrel badly one day. Why think of it now? Then he was giving explanation to his wife that one day what happened when I was a foolish youngster, young person, young boy. That time we both drank together. We played a gamble, a game of money, and after that there was a very angry dispute, angry quarrel, fighting between us. And after that he said, why I am thinking about that? Time to sleep. It is time to sleep. Let's go and sleep. He said yawning. No, what is the meaning of yawn? Yawn, it means open one's mouth wide and inhale deeply being tired. He said yawning and stretching himself on the pile. So after that, he said, why I am thinking about this? And that time he slept on his string cord pile and he yawned, opened his mouth, stretched his hand and started to sleep there. So this is the end of this lesson and today we are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.